the chills. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah.
How's it going, YouTube? You have your superstars today, Alvin and Hiro, and we're back on Project Attack. Now, as you're watching us remove the exhaust here, the main reason I didn't get any undershots, I felt it wasn't really necessary, just because there was 2 clamps that held it together, and then everything else was kind of hung with some rubber hangers. All we had to do was remove that. Now keep in mind, if you're on an SS or lower, it is going to be a little different for you guys, so you guys are going to actually have to, you'll have probably a few more clamps that you're going to have to pull off and, you know, to get the exhaust. And of course, the exhaust that we decided to go with today was Borla, their ATAK line. Now I know you're probably going, what is the ATAK line? And that's the Acoustically Tuned Applied Kinetics. So what they're actually saying is they have some exclusive technology that produces the highest available decibel levels in the Borla street legal lineup. So apparently this will make the loudest dB, and it will not get you pulled over. And I have to say, it was very impressive so far. So all the exhaust clamps that you do get in the kit are all for the brand new pieces of the exhaust. The only part that you're not going to have are going to be from your cats to the new exhaust. So you're going to have to reuse the original clamps, which was no biggie. They snugged right down and no leaks. So it was actually really nice and really simple to install. Now just make sure you keep them left and right as you're installing them, just because there is a little bit of a fitment part to the original cat. Other than that, it was actually very, very, very simple to hook up. Now, as you're getting through, and you know, if you notice, it kind of went together pretty quick. You do need to make sure that the drive shaft tunnel brace was taken off to get it out, obviously, and it needs to be put back into its spot. Now, right now, we have an aftermarket drive shaft tunnel brace by BMR. Very simple to put on and take off. There was only 4 bolts total, 2 on each side, 2 on the driver, 2 on the passenger. Now as you're installing, make sure that you leave all the clamps loose. You don't want them to be really tight until you're ready to really snug it down. Now the idea with that is you just kind of get it close, and then as everything starts to line up and get closer, you kind of push it right into place where it needs to be, and then you start to tighten it down. You can do it by yourself, but I do recommend having a second pair of hands as you're working on it here. So at this part in the video, I'll kind of let you guys listen to the music that I have playing here. You can kind of, you know, really see what we're doing. It's really not that difficult to install. Overall, it was very, very easy to install. By the end of the video, I'll kind of start showcasing how the car is actually going to sound from inside, outside. From the factory ZL1 exhaust, there was kind of a drone. We didn't hear it as we're going through all the gears, and then with the rev matching on the ZL1, oh, hands down, it was sounding gnarly. So guys, you know, I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely leave some comments down below. Let us know what you thought of this video. If there's anything else that you guys want to see, definitely let us know. We do a lot of different videos, and we definitely would love to have some fun with you guys. So anyway, keep watching, and you know, like I said, comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff.
got the chills. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. That is so cool.
Alright, now we know what the attack stands for in this Borla ATAK.
Oh, it's Borla ATAK. Borla exhaust attack model or something?
I guess.
I gotta see that.
We could call this Project Attack.
There you go. There you go. We're calling this Project Attack.